Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Auto Diecast 164 and today I will bring you back with the new model, a new brand car on my channel and this is FineWorks 64. Oh, this is the first time I heard this brand. Okay, and they were just released the new model, the Aston Martin Vulcan, and this is the box. Okay, 15 plus, and this is not a toy, this is a scale model. Okay, this is a box and the color is green. Okay, let's see the car inside. If you guys have know this brand, please comment down below for me, because this is the first time I hear about it. FineWorks64. Okay, let's see the car. Ooh, this box is beautiful. Okay, see. Okay, let's not just damage the box. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, let's see. Ooh, wow. Ooh, so cool. Okay, what is this? Oh, like a car. Oh, limited edition 499. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Okay, I will open it. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, let's see. Okay, we zoom in a little bit in detail. Wow, so detailed. Oh, a carbon fiber here, you can see, and the rear wing and the roof is also carbon fiber here, and in the dashboard here and here. Okay, very beautiful, very detailed. Okay, wait a minute, I will open the grill. Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh, damn. Okay. Okay, let's check about the wheel. It can grow but not so smooth. Okay, not to worry about that. Okay, some loose tire. Okay, okay. not a big deal. Okay, let's see. Oh, the mirror. Oh, the interior. And this is the special one about it. It can open up, and there it is. Very cool. Very detailed engine here. Wow. It's a carbon fiber here. Very beautiful. And metal bay, of course. Wow, I love this color very much. Very beautiful. Okay. Let's load it. Okay. Very beautiful. Okay, this is the first time I hear about this brand, but I really interested about their diecast. Okay, we'll put it here. Thank you guys for watching my video until now. If you like my video, please like and subscribe for more video in the future, and I will come back with more cars. Thank you and see ya.